Welcome to UK Property Accountants. My name is Richard Siddons and I'm an associate here at UKPA. Today we're going to look at gift with reservation of benefit. And to explain more, I have with me my colleague and chartered accountant with the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, Merisha Shresta. Merisha is a member of the client services team and tax team and is a senior associate within the firm. Welcome, Merisha.
Thank you for having me.
Merisha, what is gift with reservation of benefit?
Gift with reservation of benefit, it's a situation where a person gives away the asset but continues to derive some benefit or control over it. So that's when the gift with reservation of benefit rules apply.
So I've heard about gift with reservation of benefit, and I've also heard about gift without reservation of benefit. Can you explain for our viewers the difference, please?
Yes, of course. Is it okay if I explain you with an example?
Please do, yeah, fire away.
Okay. So in most of the situations, we see the parents giving their main residence to their children, but they're still living in that main residence. So that's when, as I explained earlier, the gift with reservation of benefit will be triggered. But let's say the parents live somewhere else, apart from that main residence, then that's when the gift with reservation of benefit does not apply. So it is gift without reservation of benefit because they are not getting any benefits from that asset.
I see. So because they're not living in the property would be classified as some form of benefit.
Yes.
So it's not necessarily just about a derived income.
Yes.
When the gift is a gift without reservation of benefit, how is this treated in inheritance tax law?
Yes. So in that case, that gift would be a potentially exempt transfer. So potentially exempt transfer is a lifetime transfer where that 7-year rule will apply. So if the donor passes within the 7 years of gifting the asset, that's only when that inheritance tax would be applicable. Otherwise, once the 7-year passes, the inheritance tax is no longer into play. So it's exempt.
Merisha, how do gifts with reservation of benefit affect lifetime gifts?
So the gift with reservation of benefit, it's still a lifetime gift, but how it works for inheritance tax is even though the donor has gifted away the asset, it still forms a part of their estate. So the inheritance tax is still there, particularly for the donees.
So the donee could end up liable for the inheritance tax further down the line.
Correct. So it would be at 40% on that.
How could someone mitigate the risks to exposure of a gift with reservation of benefit?
That's a good question. So let's go to that example that we discussed. So in that case, the parents are living in their main residence, even though they have gifted away the asset. But let's take another scenario where they are paying the full market rent to the donee. So in that case, they are not getting the benefit. So it will not fall under gift with reservation of benefit rules.
Merisha, could you give me an example of when someone may not be eligible for a gift with reservation of benefit?
Yes, certainly. So if the donor stays with the donee for less than a month, a year, then that won't be counted as gift with reservation of benefit. So if they are just living less than 30 days in that house, then the gift with reservation of benefit won't be triggered.
It's a bit like they're going there to visit the family.
Correct.
Okay, makes sense. Can you give me another example as well for our viewers?
Yes, sure. So sometimes, the donee may be going for a vacation. So let's say the donor is occupying the main residence. So if it's for less than 2 weeks, then in that case also, the gift with reservation of benefit won't be triggered.
Thank you very much, Merisha, for explaining everything to do with gifts with reservation of benefits. You've made that really clear today for our viewers. So thank you for your time.
Anytime.
Brilliant, fantastic. Okay, thanks for watching, viewers. But before you go, if you feel you need assistance with inheritance tax, please feel free to give myself or a colleague a call and book your free 15-minute discovery call with us. Thanks for watching.